Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Walking around here with Cinnamon. And yeah, hi, how are you doing? Here comes Mocha. There's Amy. There's Mocha. And out and about doing bird dogging. Hi, Moke. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. How you doing? All right. Yeah, good boy, Mocha. Ready to go spot some deals? Okay. All right, we got 2 bird dogs here. Yes, indeed. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Hope you're having a good day and practicing the bird dog strategy. Walk the neighborhood. Yep. Walk the neighborhood. Talk to people, talk to your neighbors, and you can pick any neighborhood. So, comment, like, share, subscribe. Bye now. Bye, Cinnamon.